Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to guide you through the process of contacting a freelancer on Upwork. Let's get started. First, you should have an account and the account should be logged in. Now you can browse through the Find Freelancer section to explore profiles that match your requirements. When you find a freelancer you are interested in, click on their profile to view more details about their experiences and expertise. If they seem like a good fit, click the Invite to Job button on their profile. You will be prompted to describe your project in detail. Fill in the project title, description, and any other relevant information. Once the job post is complete, click Send Invitation. The freelancer will receive your invitation and can respond if they are interested. If you have an ongoing job post and want to invite a freelancer directly, click Post a job or select an existing job from your job listing. Then choose Invite Freelancers and select for the freelancer by name. That's it. You have successfully contacted a freelancer on Upwork. If you have any further questions, Upwork support resources are always available to help. Happy freelancing! If you enjoyed this video, smash that like, share and subscribe button for more informative content. And thanks for watching.